Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh yesterday informed that the identification process of the hawkers is over now and it is only the allotment stalls which the Shillong Municipal Board will take care of within the month of June. He also informed that once this relocation exercise concludes, the similar exercise will be undertaken in areas like Laban, Lyngdoh and others.
Several rounds of discussions. SMB officials have submitted to us the progress report made by their exercise. There are vending committees which have gone into various aspects, and as I said, the identification process is already over. Now it's only the allotment of stalls which the SMB will take care of within the month of June.